I'm Yulong Cao. Today I will present our demo on automated tracking system for LiDAR spoofing attacks on moving targets. So nowadays, LiDARs are equipped on most autonomous vehicles in order to perceive 3D information of the environments. As one of the most important sensors, the security of LiDAR sensors are not well studied. Previous works on LiDAR spoofing attacks are either limited on trying to attack a static target victim or being conducted in a simulated environment. So in this work, our goal is trying to improving the practicality of the LiDAR spoofing attack by attacking moving targets. Before we understand how to attack a LiDAR, before before we started delving into the LiDAR spoofing attack, we need to first understand how the LiDAR system works. So LiDAR system works by sending out a signal and capture the reflection of the signal, and by measuring the time of flight, it can calculate the distance between itself to the obstacles. So in order to conduct a spoofing attack, the attacker needs three components. The forward diodes to synchronize with the LiDAR by receiving a signal from the LiDAR system, and the delay component used for control the timing for the attack laser to send out the spoofed signals to spoof a fake reflection. So in order to attack a moving target, we need a tracking system including a camera and a pentile system. The camera is used for detect the LiDAR and help guiding the pentile system to aim the laser diode at the LiDAR to conduct the spoofing attack while the victim target is moving. Next, I will show the real-world demo. As you can see here, right-hand side is the photodiode, which equipped with a lens to let it better capturing the LiDAR signals from all directions. And you can see from the oscilloscope that it started capturing the signals from the LiDAR. And after we turn on the delay components to triggering the attack lasers, you can see we successfully spoofed multiple points at the LiDAR visualization. And after we changing the delay timing here, we can control the position as well to spoof those points. And further, with an object detector, we can guide the pentile system to aim the LiDAR when the target is moving to conduct the spoofing attack. Then we'll show one of the demos here where we attack a moving robot with a LiDAR on top of it at 3 meters away under natural light conditions. For more demos, please visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you.